Hi, and welcome to Mr. Beinlich's Wonderful World of Light Riding Photography. Narrated by Mr. Beinlich. Okay, today we are going to use our DSLR cameras to actually capture ourselves riding with light. Okay, here are a couple examples from last year. This is a beautiful rocket ship. You can use multiple light sources to write with, and you pretty much can draw anything. But before we begin, we need to review a couple things. Okay, first thing is we need to review how do we work in manual mode. Okay, this is manual mode. Okay, my arrow points it out. We have to make sure that the camera is on M. And if anyone forgets, this is how we do that. Okay. Next thing we need to review is changing the shutter speed. We need to change it to something called bulb mode. Bulb means that you can control the shutter with your finger. Okay, how we change our shutter speed is with this wheel. Okay, for this we're gonna turn the wheel all the way to the left. Okay, I'm doing it right now. Okay, we want to keep going past seconds, until we get to this bulb. It's really important that we're on bulb mode. The next thing we need to review is how to change the f-stop. Okay, just like when we change the shutter speed, we're going to use the adjustment wheel, but only thing is we're going to hold the plus and minus sign as well as we do it. And now we're going to actually turn it all the way to the right as we're holding that plus and minus sign until we get to the highest possible f-stop. Okay, these cameras that we're going to use in the studio are going to read f22. Okay, now we're ready to write with light. Let's head into the studio. Okay, right now, as I adjust my settings on the camera, let's talk about light sources. Okay, flashlights are great, and that's what we're going to use for this demo, but also stuff like Christmas lights and iPads with flashlights work really well. Okay, as creative as you want to get with it, any light source that you want. Okay, my settings are just about right. Now we're going to have my partner hit the lights. Excellent. And now I am going to start the aperture right now, and we're going to start literally writing with light. Okay, you want to make sure that you go very slow and steady. If you go too fast, it's not going to capture. Right now she's actually writing a word, and there is her final product right here. And she wrote photography. Okay, so let's just review again really quickly. We need to make sure that our highest possible f-stop is set and that our shutter speed is on bulb. Okay, this has been a Mr. Beinlich production, and thank you very, very much for watching. See you in the studio.